Hi igboticnonos, hi beautiful igboticnonos, welcome back to my channel. Okay, please, if you clicked on this channel, it's not a mistake. It kindly means you should subscribe and join the family. On this channel we learn Igbo language, Igbo culture, and other things that makes life beautiful. And in today's video we're going to be talking about names in Igbo language, like names in Igbo language, what they mean. Okay, so when you're naming your child, your son or your daughter, you actually know what these names are. Okay, so let's dive into it. Okay, I made this so it will be very self-explanatory. I don't want long story. So number one here is Adego, Ada-ego, Ada-ego. What this name actually means is the first daughter that brings wealth, the first daughter that has wealth. Ada-ego, Ada-ego, the first daughter that brings wealth, the first daughter with money. I actually like this name, but of recent I don't hear many people answering this name anymore. But let's say in 80s and 90s, they have people answering this name, but I don't know if they answer it now in 2000, but it still makes a lot of sense and it's a very beautiful name. And number two here is Ngozi, Ngozi, Ngozi Chukwu, Ngozika, like God's blessing is the highest. Ngozika Chukwu, God's blessing is the highest. Ngozi, blessing, Ngozi, blessing. And here is Oluchi, God's work. Oluchi, God's work. Oluchukwu, God's work. Oluchi, God's work. It's a very beautiful name as well. You can take it and name to your child. Seriously, it's a very beautiful name. I selected these names, I'm telling you guys, so just pick one name from it. Chukwu Ebuka, God is big. Chukwu Ebuka, God is big. Chukwu Ebuka, God is bigger than everything, bigger than anything, bigger than all. God is big. Chukwu Ebuka. Mostly it's male that answer this name, and especially when they have been waiting for this male child to come, and it finally comes, or maybe when the birth, when the birth of the child was a bit stressful, and finally God did it. Chukwu Ebuka, God is great. God is big. Nneka. This name is a female name. I've not seen a guy answering Nneka. It means mother is biggest. Mother is big. Mother is the biggest. Nneka. Mother is the biggest. It's a female name. I've not seen any male child bearing this name. It's also a beautiful name for your first daughter, or any of your child that is a girl. Yes. Ikechukwu, 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 God's power. Ikechukwu, God's power, God's strength. Male answer this name more often. Male child answer this name more often. Chibu Uzo, God first. Chibu Uzo, God goes first. God goes first, then you follow after that. Chibu Uzo, Chibu Uzo, Chibu Uzo, God goes first. Mostly male child answer this name. I don't think I've seen any female answering this name. It's just very fit for a male child, so it's a very beautiful name as well. Ifeyinwa, there is nothing like child. Ifeyinwa, there is nothing like child. It's a female name. I've not seen any male child answering this name as well. Ozo Emena. Ozo Emena. This is a typical local name that means so well, and it's a very beautiful name as well. Usually a male child bears this name. I've not seen a female child that bears this name. Ozo Emena means let it not happen again. Let another not happen again. But basically for me, I won't say I really love the name, because it kind of sounds like, you know, most of they say a name follows a child, right? Ozo Emena sounds like let something bad not happen again, because everybody prays for something good to happen, right? So you can't name your child Ozemena when something good is happening. Doesn't mean you don't want anything good to come your way. So mostly is male child. Mostly is when something bad, when you pray that something bad does not happen again. Ozemena. So I don't know if I would like it for my child or for your child as well, but I just wanted to cite the name. Yeah. Ada Eze, first daughter of a king. Ada Eze, first daughter of a king. This is mostly typical African Eastern name. Yes, African Eastern name. Typical, it's Anambra, Imo, Enugu, and so on. Yes, Ada Eze means daughter of a king. So most times they answer it till date. If your father is the king and you're the first daughter, trust me, I don't know the percentage that you not answer this. Is a typical Igbo traditional name for a titled father. I don't know any other name. It's very typical. In fact, if you hear somebody answering like this, even of recent time, you might even be tempted to ask the person, is your father a king? That's how popular the name has become. Chimamanda, my God will not fall, my God will not fail. This is a very typical name, and it's a female name. Yes, male child also answer this name. I can call it a unisex name. If a man answers it, if a boy answers it, it's not bad. If a girl answers it, it's not bad. Have I seen a guy answering it, a boy answering it? Yes. Is it bad? No. Chimamanda, Amanda, is a very typical unisex name for a boy and a girl. It means my God will not fail, my God will not fall, my God will not fail me. So go ahead and take this name. It's not bad. Obianuju. Obianuju, the child that came fully, the child that came with wealth, the child that has come into wealth. Obianuju, the child that has brought so many good things, came in a big way. Obianuju, yes, it's a typical Igbo traditional name. Not typical tradition, but it's a typical Igbo name. Nnamdi, Nnamude, is a typical Igbo name as well, mostly given after a male child. I've not seen any female child that is answering Nnamdi. I've not seen. Nna in Igbo means father. Nna in Igbo means father. So Nnamdi, my father, is alive. My father is alive. Nne Amaka, mother is beautiful. Nne Amaka, mother is beautiful. Your mother and my mother, we are beautiful because there is nobody like us. We multitask, we do it all, and we don't know how we do it. It's just as simple as that. We do it all, but we don't know how we do it. Even sometimes you're doing it, you're very sure that you don't have strength again, but you see yourself keep doing it. I don't know how it happens. It's just God. So it's a very beautiful name. Nne Amaka. Nne Amaka, mother is beautiful. Yes, typical Igbo name as well. Mostly given after a female child. I've not seen a male child that has this name. Nai, I'm not saying. So it's mostly Igbo female child. Feel free to give it to your child. It's a very beautiful name, okay? Chukuma. Chukuma. God knows. Chukuma. God knows everything. God sees in the spirit. God sees in the dark. God sees in the hidden. Those things you're doing that you're hiding inside the cupboard and you think nobody's seeing you. The God, the giver of life, the creator of heaven and earth, is seeing you. Chukuma. He's seeing you and he knows. I don't know, but he knows. And one day, the one you did will come out in the open. Don't bother yourself. Keep doing it. One day it will be what? It will be brought out in the open. So this is a typical name given after a male child. I've not seen a female child. I've never ever since I was born seen a female child bearing Chukuma? No. So guys, these are the names carefully selected. These are 15 names. If you want more of these names, please put them in the comment section. And if you've had any name that you might be wondering what's the meaning, you can also put that in the comment section, and I'm here to tell you the meaning. Okay, and I might make this video part 1 of these names, and I don't want the video to be too long. I'll come in with a part 2 of the names, maybe next time or maybe next week or something like that. But please, hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, share this video as well. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay, subscribe to my channel, give me some accolade. Okay. See guys, I don't know, I want this channel to be a bit fun, not like class all the time. I don't know, you can give me in the comment section. Apart from me coming out as an Igbo person to teach you guys Igbo, for you to learn Igbo, what other things would you like to see about me, or what other things do you want me to do video about? It mustn't necessarily be Igbo class, but you want to know, right? But this channel is still for Igbo channel. But if you want me to bring in any other video in between, just for fun, let me know down in the comment section as well. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.